Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to let you know how long does Prizepicks takes to withdraw. So as a Prizepicks, you could read this out in their website itself. So after you meet your pay-through requirement, you could request a minimum withdrawal of $10. Now to withdraw, make sure that you are signed in to your account and you need to navigate to the settings and view all options. Once you manage, then simply click the request withdrawal and enter the amount that you want to take out and the means of receiving it. The procedure, now many customers has qualified for instant withdrawal. However, new customers will often have at least the first few withdrawal reviewed by the qualified specialist. For a security reason, this review takes up to 6 to 12 hours most of the time towards the lower end of the range. So once your withdrawal is approved, you have two different choices to get your money, that is instant bank transfer or card withdrawal. So this highly depends on the type of account or the member that you are. So basically, you just have to contact the team and they will be able to let you know about this. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.